A little bit. Oh well, this is more.
That's grease.
Ain't half bad this, bruv.
Look at the scenes on it, bruv.
Oh, Callum's asleep. Let me go pour a load of fucking sangria down his neck. That'll wake him up.
Got his hand down his pants, bruv. Bruv.
Welcome to the fucking motive. The villa of Lloret de Mar.
Yeah. Massive, yeah.
You saying?
Willis is awake.
He went to sleep, bruv. Imagine going to sleep.
Anyway.
So this is what we're chilling with. We've got a fuckload of sunbeds, because why not? We've got a pool. We've got the cover on just to keep it nice and tidy.
Keep it nice and tidy. We're keeping it clean, so when we bring a load of
Up here, this is where
Look at the crib, bruv.
we like to enjoy delicacies of life, like sangria from Lidl.
Fucking right.
Done 2.5 bottles already. It's only 5 o'clock.
Here he is, the man himself.
Hang on a minute, that's my digi.
You don't want to know what's been recorded on this, mate.
Put it this way, both of you are burnt already. Will and Ben are burnt, and to be fair, now I look at myself in the reflection.
So are you, bruv.
Half burnt, bruv.
Well, when we went out for the shops, these two lied there and done nothing
Come inside,
the whole time.
doing a tour.
Sat there and done fuck all.
This is just for
Fitting
the
song.
next 10 minutes.
That's the medicine for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Sangria.
And tomorrow, and the night after that. Ooh. And the night after that.
Probably for the next 8 nights, to be honest. Anyway, let me show you the fridge. Mate, he's already got us a beer bottle opener. Knows it already. Just stacked. Fucking stacked, man. So anyway, we're about to go get fucking rat-arsed.
Alright, go on, Ben. Nice! That's solid! 180! We found another fucking bar and another punch bag. Will's gonna kill it. It's all going to shit. Down it. Come on. Come on. What up, man?
Benjamin Bassham. The ball he's controlling. That might have been a handball there, ref. I'll be real. That's it. That's it. Cut it onto your left, bottom right. What the hell was that?
It is round 2 of the Beer Olympics, and this one is a swimming test. Basically, what you have to do is you start this end of the pool. You need to swim in whatever stroke you like to this end of the pool. There's a shot of rum which is waiting for you at the end of the pool. Do the shot, swim back, both hands needs to touch that side of the pool ledge, and the timer stops. The loser has to do a double shot of rum. Anyway, George is up first. Let's go. And the shot. I'm back. 13 seconds for George. Decent. Go, go, go.
Two hands on the edge, the edge of the ball, you fucking idiot. Oh my god. Since when was that the rule? You gotta listen, bruv. Like, we said that like 4 times. Geek.
I've got a time on here when you pressed it with 2 hands. 18.61.
So, to the rules, bro. Yeah. Solid swim. Oh my god.
13.69.
Oh, you beat me by 0.07.
For those that didn't know, Roxby had a double shot in that. He accidentally poured too much in, so.
Maybe a false start. Get it down here, come on.
14.42. That puts Will in third place for now.
Solid effort. God, he's quick. Go, 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 go.
How was that 15.1?
I thought that was well quick.
It looks quick.
Right, let's go, soldier. Go, 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 go. Just go, go, go. Go to the left. Oh no! Both hands, both hands. Oh.
22.
Yeah!
My trunks are all fucking falling.
Oh no!
Let him go.
Oh god!
Stop doing my laugh in bed. Look at him, he's so happy.
I never lose! The loser is here, Mr. Callum
If I'm gonna
Curry.
yak, where's best to yak?
Not gonna
On
yak.
here?
You're not gonna fucking yak.
You're about to yak. I think you want clean.
CGI some sick coming out of my mouth.
Sun shit, can't see your face. Where's the sun? Because you got that hat on, that's why. That's
Put it back on! Lens all cracked.
Put
Put the horror scream in.
Come on. That is paid to be fair. Brimmed it pretty much.
Well, I said to Josh, I think it's just better to do it in one.
Yeah, it
I
is.
think it's just better to just get it over with.
Don't think, just go.
It's better to just not stand here and think about it too much and like contemplate it too much because it's gonna be
Get
really,
out of the
it's gonna be a
way.
lot worse. Like the more you stand there and like really talk and think about it, the worse it's gonna be. So what I would say if I was doing it is
It's not great for the storage, either, mate.
Come on, mate.
Oh, the best glass as well.
come.
Yeah. Don't think about it, just go. Just go, innit? Just, like, just go. You ain't gonna yak. I'm fucking shot, wasn't he, bitch? There he is.
Big Ben, I'm about to go on a fucking two-man step to tropics. It's gonna be the most tapped night of my fucking life.
Right, let me just
Anyone who's gonna pull this fucking weekend. Little away.
I got these hoes, if I go home, if I put the bitch on the road, she's on the fucking pole. I got this hoe with me, she tryna show me something. Fuck these niggas, I ain't let it know. Double kick the shit, we told us.
He's not feeling good, mate.
No, I just spoke to him, he's fucked.
He's like, that's the worst I've been.
Night out debrief.
I've had the best night of my life.
Roxby and Ben went on a two-man. Apparently they got to Tropics and within 20 minutes they lost each other. It's crazy. Roxby came through at 7:20 this morning, bursting through this door and waking me up. And now it's around 11 AM and we're all having some breakfast. Got some eggies. And in terms of alcohol, all we've got left is this. The vodka's gone.
For everyone!
Today we might be going to the water park. Oh, look at this. Lovely jubbly.
Fucking hell! That is regulated.
It's alright, we don't got pizza, look at that, we ain't got pizza.
Pizza time! A special guest has arrived. Oliver just turned up. He's just turned. I'll be real. He's coming in for one fucking night. He just appeared out of nowhere. So now the 6 has become 7, and that means we're going to.
This is shit, bruv. This is shit, bruv. This is shit. We are about to go on the most tapped fucking night out of our lives. Callum is ready, man. He's fucking dead, bruv. He's had enough. He's on the monster vodka.
Do you wanna dance, baby? I know you see me looking at you on a daily.
Let's go and say hello. Tweedledee and Tweedledum.
What the fuck is happening there?
What has happened to your...
It's been mummified. Cam's bed wet? Or is that the pattern on it?
The fuck is that?
Is that period?
Recent.
Don't smell best in here, boys, I'll be real.
Oh, I think that's one man and one man only.
She's the baddest of them all. The baddest of them all. She's the baddest of them all. The baddest of them all. She's the baddest of them all.
How does this protect you?
You're like a fucking... What is this one so fucking big?
fucking scrum out on.
I'm going to banana boat. Mate, those...
Ben is about to record the most tapped footy. We are going on a UFO in the Lloret de Mar.
I know.
Oh my god.
You okay?
Yeah.
Well,
You alright?
yeah. I said, you alright?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
Yeah, we're good. You recorded that as well?
Fucking hell. Fucking proper air time.
Dance, baby. I know you see me looking at you on a daily.
You alright?
You okay? Oh my god. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Hold on. I was holding on. Fucking hell. I was like 10 foot in the air.
Mate, George was like here on me.
Mate, I don't know what happened.
Are you two okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. That was intense.
Yeah.
Bennett and Bumper just went up.
We fucking let
I
go.
was literally just like holding on with this and went over there. Survived.
I've just spent the past 2 hours slaving away cooking. Nah, I've been fucking out before. I don't feel very good today, but the boys, I don't know who mainly done it, put your hand up. It was all of you doing this. Mr. Curry has cooked up an incredible meal. Lovely. I'm about to turn 24.
Oh, bro, happy birthday, mate.
Cheers, guys.
24 shots.
Give me
24 shots.
Get me a sandwich.
Right, I'm off to bed.
Yeah, we're not going out tonight. Actually,
In theory.
we are going out tonight.
Just in 12 hours time.
Ben loves it. This time next year I'll be closer to 30 than 20. That's fucking peak. Will and Josh are in bed and then we're going to follow very soon. And hit it large. Because straight after my birthday...
Don't remind me. It's peak.
Mr. Bassham is on the night. So yeah, it's 8 at the moment, 1 minute past. Grey hairs are already forming on the head. And we are, well, in a kind of a split decision on do we go to Barcelona and take an hour train?
Yes.
Depends on smoke, been on smoke the whole holiday. Or do something else, because the boys in relationships aren't on it as much. Boo, everyone put boo in the comments. So, 6 of us left. Tomorrow, we'll see what happens. Good night and happy birthday to me. Woo. See when we're celebrating mine and Ben's birthday. Because as soon as that clock strikes 12, Ben's got a surprise coming.
Bob! Happy birthday, mate! Bob! Oh, I want to get off!
Sorry, mate.
So you say mums have had enough?
Mums have had enough! Oh, fucking stop this thing! Oh my fucking god. Right, Ben. Right, Ben, you're up.
Sick.
Right, the anchors!
Oh, we actually are. No.
Ben is fucking.
Just get Ben soaked, that'd be pretty. You got some shit on
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Where your eyes, man? Not gonna crash. Fucking hell. It's easy to turn. I tried the van instead of the XL.
You fucking bastard.
Could just put a. Ben's just bugging out eating a Mars bar. 3 minutes until Ben's birthday. Until we're both 24. Oh no. That's horrible.
Happy birthday, mate. Happy birthday.
We are now officially uncles. 24 years old.
Right, let me just drink away to it. 24, bruv.
Put some light on you.
So, what is that?
Sums up our future. Why not? The explore page will sum up our future. Oh. Oh, nice.
Right, anyone want a shot? Big one.
We in Miami, turning up another notch. Mate, fuck it, someone fucking swears on fucking real.
Better watch your words, I get you the type shit you tweet.
Oh God.
You better jump out and do it on feet.
You got something in common with K with I had an AK gang up. We ain't got generational wealth, got a couple of mil for my unborn child. If I pay man £100,000, I can get my bum right in front of a crowd. That's GBP.
Price go up if you can wear D. Tell little bro if it's personal, he better jump out and
Comparison of this.
What did I miss? What did I miss? Let's go. Let's go. I'm waving around like 600 niggas. Let's go. She might decide to say no to me now, but say yes to support it. I hate it. Let's go. What's the get back for niggas? It's TBB. I look at this shit. BTC could be down this week, then I'm up.
Clean-up time. Clean-up crew are in full swing. It's been a good one, eh? No more alcohol till Christmas. And whoever's after us is in for a nice little treat. Beer in the fridge, vodka, and another crate of beer there. What an absolute pleasure. Lloret de Mar in the villa.
Inside a killer brugilla tonight. Get to the walking of night, girl. Listen.